how to find XFrame options, header settings on Bigcommerce, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find it. First open your browser and then go to settings, and now scroll down until you find here security and privacy, and then here we'll find XFrame options, header settings. Now you can turn it off or on, and that's it. Here you can manage it, then click save. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.